Let's get a quick Windows to your PC. First of all, download the Windows 11, 10, anything else. Just go to the Google and then type download Windows 11 and then just click the first option, the search. And then click on select download. Select Windows 11 and then select the languages and then just go to hit the download button. After downloading the file, just plug in the which USB will boot. Download the Rufus. I already have put the link. Rufus will automatically detect your USB. On the device section is your USB that Rufus will detect automatically. Then click on boot selection. Select your file which you download from the Google Windows 10 iOS file. And then partition selection. Partition scheme is MBR and then all the setting Rufus will adjust as it is. You don't have to. The file system should be NTFS on your USB. If you don't know what is NTFS, I got my video on USB. And then just click and then just hit start. You Rufus will convert with bootable. After converting the USB, click F9 or escape HP boot hotkeys escape or F9 and then select UEFI boot source is SunDisk. UEF. After clicking on this SunDisk, after will run with the SunDisk partition. Select the language, then install. It will start installing.
Then hit click on I don't have the product case. Select Windows Pro. Nothing else, just Windows Pro. Otherwise, all the file is scanned.
Delete all the partition and then just click and it will start downloading the done by itself. Thank you.